Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math. Finding derivatives of the 6 standard trigonometric functions. I think it's easiest if we put them in a chart. Derivative of sine is cosine. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. The derivative of tangent x is secant squared of x. Cotangent x is negative cosecant squared of x. Secant x is secant x tangent x. And cosecant x is negative cosecant x tangent x. If you notice, they pretty much come in pairs. Sine and cosine, tangent and cotangent, and secant and cosecant all have similar derivatives. Also, all of the functions that start with a c, their derivative is always negative. We want to be careful. All of these functions could have the chain rule involved in them. So for example, if we had y equals sine of u, where u is any function, its derivative would be cosine of u times the derivative of u. A more specific example would be y equals tangent of x squared. Its derivative, the outside derivative, is going to be secant squared. We'll leave x squared alone, but then we have to multiply to finish the chain rule by the derivative of x squared, which would be 2x.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.